So what are you gonna do?
So we've already made a few smaller skulls. I'm gonna make a large one. It's probably gonna take like about 6-7 hours to print.
That's really long. Is that how long the other ones took?
They took about 4. They took about 4.
Why is this gonna take longer?
The previous ones I scaled down significantly because I don't want to wait that long, and I'm very impatient.
So this is gonna be bigger.
So this one's gonna be huge.
Wow, okay. So when are you gonna start now?
Yeah.
And you're gonna record the whole thing.
I'm gonna do a time lapse for the entire thing.
Amazing. Alright, let's get to it. So what problem did we just run into?
I didn't realize it, but I must have been doing way less than 50% scale. I went to hit slice, and it tells me 1 day and 4 hours.
So you're not printing this one today?
Oh, no.
Okay, maybe in a few months.
Scale it down.
Yeah.
Scale it down.
So how small is this one gonna be?
Oh, man.
Alright, we'll just wait. You guys are gonna have to see. Stay tuned.